Hey guys, so I'm back with another Believe Beauty video, and this time I'm doing a full face super easy makeup look, and I want to do this spending under $50. So I'm taking you with me inside my nearest Dollar General, and we're going to shop for some Believe Beauty products. They have everything from blush, bronzer, lashes, brushes and sponges, makeup wipes, setting sprays, and much more. So for this full makeup look, I need the highlight and contour palette, some mascara, definitely need eyeliner, so I grabbed two of those, a brow defining pencil, and then what's a look without eyeshadow? So I grabbed the Plush Purple's eyeshadow palette. I'm then gonna get these lips together with the Lustrous Shine lip gloss, and can't be full face without foundation, right? Adding the matte blur loose powder, and then the dual-ended contour stick. So I have everything I need for this full face makeup tutorial, and I got it all for under $50. Now that I have everything that I need, let's get started. See, I told y'all, full face, super easy makeup look under $50. But I'm not done yet. I'm challenging you guys to head over to your nearest Dollar General and see what you can find from the Believe Beauty collection. And be sure to tag me in your looks because I definitely want to see.